Let's also look at inventory management. So one situation whereby anytime our inventory is on zero, anytime our product is on zero, it appears under out of stock, so that we're able to see that okay, we don't have this particular product in place again. So now let's start with the formula. The formula is kind of easy. So now let me clear it. So now the formula is select the range, also select the quantity range, so now this shows us any product, all the products in stock. And for example, if apple is out of stock, so it disappears, it does not show. So for us to look at products out of stock, we follow the same formula. So now we have other products like this, our orange is out of stock, so it appears, and carrots. Also, we can also, instead of we using it, we can use a reference. Let's give this particular a name. So let's name it product, and also let's name this quantity. Just trying to make product. Now we have given it reference. So now we just do this, but this time we call the reference product. So now you don't have any reason, so we have it here. So anytime any of our product is we're out of egg. So now you don't have reason to say you don't know which stock you have and which products are out of stock. Bye bye.